Okay, so I was looking on the website, bought this off and noticed a few things. Like, oh yeah, okay, here we go. I look at the packet, right, and you look at 3 pins, great. Nah, well mine's 2 pins. So here we go, but I open it up and it turns out to 2 pins. So bloody lucky, but it's the typical stupid shit that you have to deal with. Anyway, we're up to put the spark plugs in there, all good and nice and tight and sweet. I'm going to put the ignition coils in and give her a run, see how she goes. Remember before I had that problem, I was taking these out and it was separating and it was just shit. Well, these ones seem to be glued on, so won't have that problem if I have to take these out, which is nice to know. And maybe they were originally